Hi guys, welcome back to our Topper Chef channel. Today we are making sautéed garlic mushrooms. For this we are going to need some mushrooms. This is about 2 pounds of mushrooms, about 4 teaspoons of garlic, and if you want to spice it up, little chopped jalapeno. So it's very simple recipe. The thing is about mushrooms is you have to have the right temperature, the right hot oil, otherwise mushrooms, they leave water, and you gotta temper it really well with garlic so you can have the taste of garlic on this mushroom. And second thing is you gotta consume this fast because mushrooms leave water real fast and they shrivel up, so you gotta consume this fast. Okay, so for this we need about 5 tablespoons of oil. The more oil the better, so you can really, the mushrooms will really take the oil. So in restaurants what happens is they have a deep fat fryer and they just cinch those things in the oil fast. So here we are, let this get heated up. Okay, so the oil is getting heated up. My mushrooms are here. You can see I've cut them bigger. I've put them bigger like this, and the reason is the more smaller you cut it, the faster it will leave water. So here we are. Put it all together. Put all my garlic also with this. This is chopped garlic. A little 1 teaspoon of jalapeno, 2 teaspoons of jalapeno, and mix this real fast. Real fast. On high heat, very high heat. The higher the heat, the better. Now all I'm going to do is put some salt in it. If you want some pepper, it's good. You can put pepper, but I don't want pepper. I put the jalapeno in it. Now, some places you can put Worcestershire sauce on this if you want. Okay, I kept it covered for 1 minute, and you can see the steam has built up and it's ready to go. So this is all done. You want to drive the water, otherwise it will need more water. This is it. It's all ready to be consumed. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!